Hey there guys, this is Coach Tutor for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called, is the number less than or equal to 0? So in this problem, it asks us to create a function that takes a number as its only argument and returns true if it's less than or equal to 0. Otherwise, return false. So as we can see from the examples, if it's 5, it's going to be false because it can only be true if it's 0 or less. So as you see right here, the example 0, it's going to be true. 2, it's going to be false because it's not equal to 0 or it's not less than 0. So let's go to the code tab. So as you can see, it's a bool function. So we're either going to return true or false. And the argument inside the function is an int num. So what we're going to do is going to do an if else statement. So if, in the condition inside the if statement, we're going to put if num is greater than 0, because anything greater than 0 is going to be false. So we're going to return false. Else, we are going to return true. And let's check it now. Should pass all the tests. And as you can see, it passed all the tests for the problem. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.